I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the animation assets and integrating them into your project. First, export the iOS calling animation as Lottie.json or a sprite strip. That preserves timing and vector fidelity. Once done, place the JSON or sprite into res/raw or assets and add the Lottie dependency in build. Gradle or prepare a custom view to host the animation. Make sure to keep file names stable so your code references are reliable, and verify asset scaling settings to avoid pixelation on Android. Now you integrate the animation view into the calling screen and wire it to call state. You will place a Lottie animation view or a custom surface view in the call layout and load the JSON asset programmatically. Then, connect start, pause, and stop calls to your call lifecycle events, ringing, answered, ended, so the animation reflects real state. Also, adjust scale type, pivot, and interpolator values to match iOS easing. This preserves the perceived motion and makes the animation feel native to Android. Finish by syncing and validating playback across scenarios so the animation behaves predictably. You should tie animation progress to audio or call event callbacks if precise sync is required, and run tests on multiple screen sizes and CPU profiles to confirm performance. When you deploy, monitor memory and battery. If you see stutter, first ensure hardware acceleration is enabled, then simplify artwork or switch to Lottie vector JSON. If issues persist, log timings and adjust interpolation to correct perceived lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.